Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Miss Beth's place. It's Friday morning. I've got the day off and I'm keeping my grandbaby today. And I was thinking, what can I do today for a video for y'all? And I was thinking, I looked and I saw this spice cabinet or condiment cabinet or whatever, seasoning cabinet, whatever y'all want to call it. And I thought, this thing needs an overhaul because I bought some new spices the other day and I don't have any room for them. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, the first thing I'm going to try to do is take each shelf out one at a time. Alright, so the way I've got my stuff arranged in here is I have my things that are the smallest on the bottom, and these are also probably the things I use the most. Can y'all see me? Okay, let me see. All right. So I do have one little organizer thing that kind of steps them up into a different level where I can get more in here, where I can see them better. I'm going to be cleaning this out today, and I'm going to be wiping down stuff and throwing out stuff that I haven't used or things that might be expired. This right here says used by 11/10/23. I don't even know where I got that from, but I don't use things that are that expired. If it's a little bit expired, I might, but if they're that expired, I toss them. So let me get my trash can over here nearby. I bought some new things. Some new garlic. It's a paprika. These things right here, Kinders, are good. I'm going to let y'all know what seasonings I like, what I don't like. So, I'm going to get everything out, and then I'm going to try to put everything back in. And some things, like I said, might be old. I might need to invest in a different rack. Look at this thing. It's a bamboo organizer. It needs cleaning off. Now, if y'all hear a racket over there, my grandbaby's going round and round in her little Minnie Mouse walker. And she likes to get into stuff. She's 8 months old. Well, Wednesday when I had her, 2 of my plants bit the dust. I managed to salvage them, but she got a hold to them and dumped them out. She had dirt everywhere. Well, the first one, it went on the floor, but the second one, her little playpen was over there, and I didn't realize that it was close enough to my plant stand that she could get a hold to it. Well, I went over there, y'all, and she had her a mouthful of moss, wet moss. It must have been pretty good because she was going nom 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 nom. It's nasty. Kids do some nasty stuff. I remember when her mama was little, and she knows this, she'll tell you, she used to like to eat cat food. You catch her over there munching on the cat food, and we had to put the cat food up. So that's one shelf right there. Now, I'm going to try to organize that stuff back in there a little bit better than what it is now. I might have to see if I can round up some baskets or something. I have a little thing over here that's got some drawers in it that I'd like to be able to put in there. But I don't think they'll fit. I might could put one of them in there. They stack on top of each other. There's this right here, and I've got my some seasonings in it. Not seasonings. Some little packets, some drink packets. And then this has got some drink packets and little bottles of Fireball. Which I don't drink that much. I was thinking, ooh, one would fit right there. And I just put these little drink mix things somewhere else. I might just do that. And then I could put my packets of my bouillon, my ranch dip, and chicken. I got ham seasoning. I got Sazon. That stuff's good right there. Definitely got to have my Goya ham. That's my turnip greens. Got lots of that. So I might just organize these and put them in this little, one of these little boxes. And then I've got a little basket up here that I can't find anything in it. So let's just, I'm probably going to put you on fast for a few minutes and clean some of this stuff up. And then I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I had to go get my granddaughter situated. She was trying to get into stuff. Y'all ought to see my house. I got my dining room table chairs scattered throughout my living room where she can't get to them with her walker because, like I said the other day, she got a hold of all my plants. So I think I got her blocked off now. And then I gave her some little spice containers that I emptied out. That should keep her busy. Now I decided I was going to put this little sliding shelf up here. I don't know if both of these will fit. Let's see if both of them will fit. Oh, yeah. I don't know if I need both of them or not. And I put all my little drink packets in one of these. So I will just finish clearing this. I'll clear this one out and put all these in here too. Some big drink packets and some little drink packets. We used to be on the drink. There's even some little drink coffee. Hello, me, little coffee drink. Coffee. Yeah, I know it. You want to get in on the show too, don't you? So that filled that up. Wants to be in on this video. Yeah, my. So I got my cabinet all cleaned out, and I was going to show y'all. I got a couple of new things. So this bottom cabinet now is all seasonings. It did have some bouillons and some packets and stuff, all mishmash of stuff. So what I did is I found these little things over here on my counter that I use for something else. Little clear glass, little sliding drawers. And I put in all my bouillons and some sauce packets and stuff. And I even took the bouillon cubes out of the little jars and I just threw them down in there because I know what's what. The gold ones are chicken and the red ones are beef. And then on this top one, I put all of my flavorings. I don't have a lot of flavorings, but I put all my flavorings in there. And what I do have, I use up pretty quickly. I have to replenish it. And then I've got my bacon, some of my bacon stuff up there, and my bigger containers. My biggest containers are right here that I use the most. Then this little basket that I had here, I put it up here, and it's mostly got like baking things I don't hardly ever use, little cups for cupcakes, and there's like food colorings and things like that. Things that you don't normally use all the time. So that's my cabinet. Looks pretty good. I did throw away a few things, but not too much. But it's amazing how much stuff you find up in the top of the cabinet, pushed back in the back, that you haven't used in forever. I had some oatmeal quick oats up there in the very top, and I don't know how long they had been there, but they're not there anymore. So now I have more room. I can put more seasonings. I have a little bit more room for some seasonings. I'm going to see if I can find another little organizational shelf like this one over here. It kind of looks like a ladder or a little singing platform, as I call it. I put my bigger stuff on the back and then my shorter stuff on the front. So there you go. It's all nice and neat and organized. I can see everything. I know where everything's at. And I can just reach in there and grab it and pull it out. So if y'all have a cabinet at your house that needs a little TLC, take one at a time. You'll get it done. Alrighty, that's it for today. And y'all join me again on the next video. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Hey, how you doing?